Hi, this is an introduction to a new feature, the Magic Wand, and it's a feature that helps people to discover ways to transform data or help them, and also help people that already know what they want to do to avoid repeating themselves or having to do a lot of work that is repetitive and doesn't add much value. So let's say I have this data, and this is an ISO 8601 format date, and these are some IDs that are not numbers, they are text, and they have spaces before, after, or both, or at none. So I already know what I want to do myself. Some people may have an idea but not sure if it's possible or how. So I will create a select to transform this data. So now we have the same structure but in a select, so we can do transformations. And until now the way was to create a calculated field, open the formula editor, go to the formulas and search for the function that will do what we want to do, manipulate the parameters. But as I said before, either you don't know if it's possible or the name of the functions, even when we search for similar names, or you just did it so many times you don't want to do it again. So the magic wand comes in. If I click here on a field, there's a new button called, there's no name, but it's called the magic wand for now. And if I click it, it will explore the types of the inputs for that field, and it will propose magic operations. And they are described as human, in human language. They are like job to be done functions. They are the end goal, not the operations in the middle. So this one is transform text from ISO format to date. And even if I don't know what it is, I can click the magic wand. And what it will do is it will create the calculated field and do the operation and add the new field into the query. So I can see now that I have a date. Let's say now I want to format it. So I click on the date and click the magic wand, and now it proposes two operations, date to text with format and difference between dates. And date to text with format is the one I wanted. Let's try the other one. Difference between dates. So now I can see that they are like 2 or 3 weeks in the past. I can switch from and to get it in positive. So now I kind of have what I want, and now the ID, I click, and it will explore, and it will see that it's text, but that some of the fields have spaces at the one or both ends, or none. So it will propose to trim white space from both ends. And now I have it as text without the spaces, so I can click again, and I can say transform text to decimal number. So now I have it as a number. And let's see what it proposes, number to text with format. And now it formats a text value with the number as a parameter. So this is an extendable feature, so I have to just add new detections, heuristics, and propose functions. Each refactor, let's say, it's between 1 and 3 lines for these operations, so they are easy to add. And I will just start adding the ones that use advanced functions, like these ones, format text, because they are hard to create and manipulate, or people don't know how to search for them. But with time, I will just keep adding more of the magic wand operations. For now, these ones are the ones I added because I started working a couple of days ago, but also because they are the ones that we see users wanting to do and sometimes not finding the way, or just not setting the parameters correctly. So they get stuck with an error they don't know how to recover. So this is the new feature, the magic wand for Instadeq, to automatically apply operations on inputs in cards, getting suggestions, and doing the refactorings automatically. Bye.